If you're running a bar or a kitchen with heavy blender use, you know how quickly things can go wrong. Today, we're checking out the Waring Commercial CAC65 Bar Blender Repair Kit, a product designed to get your Waring BB150 and BB160 blenders back up and running in no time. If you've ever found yourself scrambling to fix a blender mid-shift, you'll appreciate how this kit makes repairs quick, simple, and efficient. The Waring Commercial CAC65 Bar Blender Repair Kit is a handy all-in-one solution for anyone who owns a Waring BB150 or BB160 bar blender. Inside the kit, you'll find everything you need to replace some of the most common blender components: the coupling, gasket, and blade assembly. Each of these parts plays a crucial role in ensuring that your blender runs smoothly, and the kit provides all the necessary tools to handle these fixes yourself. Let's talk about the specifics. The parts are made from durable materials like plastic, rubber, and stainless steel, which are all key to ensuring longevity and reliable performance. The coupling is designed to connect the blender's motor to the blade assembly, so it's a vital piece to replace if you're noticing any issues with blending power or noise. The gasket ensures that there's a tight seal to prevent leaks, and if it's worn out, you might experience spills or a loss of blending efficiency. The blade assembly is where the magic happens, of course, and if your blades are dull or damaged, the blender simply won't perform to its best ability. When it comes to ease of use, the Waring CAC65 Repair Kit is straightforward. It's designed with simplicity in mind, so even if you're not the most mechanically inclined, you won't struggle too much. The process is relatively simple and can be completed in a matter of minutes. If you've ever had to repair a commercial appliance before, you'll know the frustration of trying to find compatible parts. But with this kit, you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. You've got everything you need in one place. The kit's compact size, 5 inches in length, 3.6 inches in width, and 4.2 inches in height, means it won't take up much space on your workbench or in your toolbox. In terms of real-world testing, I took this kit for a spin on a Waring BB150 blender that was starting to show signs of wear. The first thing I noticed was how easy the parts were to install. After unscrewing the base, I swapped out the worn-out parts with the new ones in the kit. The gasket fit snugly, and the coupling snapped into place without any issues. Replacing the blade assembly was similarly effortless, and within minutes, the blender was back to full function. The real test, of course, was seeing how the blender performed after the repair. I ran a few batches of smoothies and protein shakes, and the blender ran just as well as it did when it was brand new. Let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the Waring Commercial CAC65 Bar Blender Repair Kit is incredibly easy to use. The parts fit perfectly, and the instructions are clear. It also saves time and money compared to sending the blender in for repairs or buying a completely new unit. The materials used in the parts are high quality, ensuring long-term durability. On the flip side, it's worth noting that this kit only works for the Waring BB150 and BB160 models. So if you have another model, this kit won't be compatible. Some users might also find that the kit doesn't include additional parts that could be necessary for more extensive repairs, but for routine maintenance, it's more than sufficient. So, does this kit offer good value for money? If you're looking to extend the life of your Waring BB150 or BB160 blenders without spending a fortune on professional repairs, this is solid investment. At a reasonable price, you get all the necessary components to tackle one of the most common blender repairs. Considering that professional repair services can quickly add up, this kit can easily pay for itself after just one use. When comparing the Waring CAC65 to other repair kits on the market, you'll find that it's priced competitively. Other commercial blender repair kits can be similarly priced or even more expensive, but they might not offer the same level of convenience or compatibility with the Waring brand. There are other universal kits out there, but they may not be as reliable when it comes to parts that specifically fit Waring blenders. In terms of build quality, the materials used in the CAC65 repair kit are up to the high standards you'd expect from a commercial grade product. The plastic, rubber, and stainless steel parts are designed to handle regular use in a fast-paced environment. And the quality of the replacement parts ensures that your blender will continue to work as it should for the long haul. Based on my experience, I'd expect this kit to last well, and it's an investment that will help you avoid the cost of replacement blenders. As for customer support, I didn't need to reach out to Waring directly for this review, but the brand has a solid reputation for handling commercial kitchen products. Based on user reviews and industry reputation, their customer service team is responsive, and any issues are typically handled efficiently. While this kit is simple to use, it's always reassuring to know that support is available if needed. Now, a quick note on updates. Since this is a repair kit for a blender, it doesn't require software or firmware updates, so this section doesn't apply here. To wrap things up, the Waring Commercial CAC65 bar blender repair kit is a highly practical and reliable solution for maintaining your Waring BB150 or BB160 blenders. It offers good value for the price, is easy to use, and gets your blender back to full working order quickly. The only real downside is its limited compatibility, but if you're using one of the supported Waring models, this kit is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in the Waring Commercial CAC665 bar blender repair kit, you can find the link in the comments box. If you already own this kit, drop a comment and let us know how it's worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with our latest reviews. Goodbye till next time, and remember, there's always more to uncover with Reviews Inside TV.